Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp soup with vegetables. Start by washing shrimp, chopping vegetables, and measuring broth to streamline cooking. Use a medium pot and heat oil gently to release aromatics without burning. Add vegetables by firmness, then pour broth and simmer until tender. Finish with shrimp, lemon, and fresh herbs to keep flavors bright and the soup balanced for a comforting meal. When cooking, keep the heat moderate so ingredients meld without overcooking shrimp. Build flavors by sautéing aromatics until softened and fragrant, then add vegetables by texture so nothing turns mushy. Simmer the broth to concentrate taste, then add shrimp at the end for perfect tenderness. Season gradually and taste as you go so the soup stays balanced and fresh, resulting in a homey, flavorful bowl everyone will enjoy. To finish, always taste and tweak seasoning so the soup sings without overwhelming the shrimp. Brighten the bowl with lemon or a touch of vinegar and scatter fresh herbs for aroma and color. Consider texture contrasts like crusty bread or steamed rice to make the meal more satisfying. Serve immediately while warm so flavors are vibrant and the shrimp stays tender, creating a cozy and well-rounded dining experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.